If you walk through the streets of Barcelona, Girona, or any one of the Catalan towns on the 23rd of April, you'll notice something very beautiful going on. Why are all these people exchanging roses, all these books and libraries in the streets, dragon drawings and decorations of roses all over the place? Why everyone seems extremely happy? Well guys, keep tuned and I'll tell you in a minute. Sant Jordi, celebrated on the 23rd of April, is a special festivity to celebrate the Catalan culture, literature, and on top of everything is a day to celebrate love. The tradition states that on that day, men give roses to women and women give books to men as a sign of love, although nowadays everyone just gives books and roses to the loved ones, to friends, to family, and you might even get a rose from your boss. But why roses? Well, the legend says that in a Catalan town called Montblanc, many years ago, a hungry dragon kept the citizens terrified, demanding the daily sacrifice of a person who was selected by lottery. One day, the misfortune fell upon the princess, but when she was about to be eaten by the dragon, a brave knight called Sant Jordi came to save her by defeating the dragon. From the blood of the dragon that fell on the floor, a red rose grew up and Sant Jordi picked it up and offered it to the princess. So now in Catalonia, instead of Valentine's Day, we celebrate Sant Jordi, since he is, for us, the patron of the lovers. We give roses to our loved ones, to our moms, family, to our friends, to the person that had helped us recently. Children make crafted paper roses at school. People sing songs about how Sant Jordi defeated the dragon and decorate the streets with dragons and roses. And apart from all that, it is also the World Book Day. And that's why, besides exchanging roses, we also exchange books. There are big book fairs, libraries in the streets, literature contests, new books being released, authors signing books, poetry recitals, and many more cultural events that make this day even more special, celebrating our rich culture. So, if you're around for Sant Jordi, make sure to go out, celebrate love, enjoy the bustling streets, join one of the many cultural activities and concerts, visit an emblematic building, buy a book, and give the rose to this special person you're thinking about. Feliz Sant Jordi to everyone!